Hi guys, welcome to Everyday Math Lesson 1.5. This is the lesson on recording data and tally charts. Your objective today, when you're done with this lesson, is that you will conduct an interview and tabulate the results on a graphic organizer. Just in case you're not sure, there is one tricky word there, and that's tabulate. Tabulate just means record or write down. But I wanted to give you guys the real word, so write down. So you guys are going to conduct an interview. That means asking questions and then write down the results on a graphic organizer. So why are we learning this? Well, one, you use interviews to learn new information. It helps you make decisions. It helps you when you're planning activities. If you want to know what kind of juice everybody likes, so you can ask questions to kind of figure out what it is that everybody likes. Also, when you're buying new things, you can see what new things people like and what are the most interesting. So those are just a few examples of why you would record data. So here's my project. I wanted to figure out what type of cookie is most popular. So the only way to do that is to ask lots of different people. So here are the choices that I gave them. They can have a peanut butter cookie, they could have a chocolate chip cookie, an oatmeal raisin cookie, Oreos, or my favorite, Thin Mints. So the first step to do this is gathering information. There's 3 ways you can do it. One way is a paper interview. That means just giving somebody a piece of paper and asking them to fill it out, kind of like a survey. Another way that you could do it is an online survey. So that means you set up a website, they go to the website, they click on the answer, and then you have your information that way. Or the last way is an in-person interview. That means face-to-face, just going up to somebody and asking them, hey, what's your favorite kind of cookie? Either way works to get information. Sometimes if people are far away, it might be easier to do an online survey or paper interview. If people are right by you and you just want to find out really quickly, an in-person interview is probably the way to go. Once you've asked your questions and figured out how you're gonna ask them, then you need to tabulate the results. And remember, tabulate just means write down. So I decided to go ahead and do a paper interview for my survey. And you can see the paper interview says, please select your favorite type of cookie. And it gives the options of, peanut butter, chocolate chip, oatmeal raisin, Oreos, or Thin Mints. So all the choices that we've already talked about. And then underneath it, it says, return to Mr. Clark when you're finished. Thank you. So here are some of the results. So people could check Oreos, they could check chocolate chip, they could check peanut butter. Oh, this person checked peanut butter, so I'm starting to get these in. I got a whole bunch of these surveys back. So now, after I figured all this out and gotten all my surveys, I need to tally them up. So I'm going to go ahead and take that list that you just saw on the last slide and start tallying it up. I need to make a box for each type of cookie that I did. So let's go ahead and make those boxes right now. The first type of cookie is peanut butter. I'm just going to write it in there, P, B for peanut butter. I'm going to write C, C for chocolate chip. O, R for oatmeal raisin. Just regular O, R, E, O, S. I'm just going to write out Oreos because it's small. And the last one is Thin Mints. So I'm going to write T, M for Thin Mints. And then I need to start a tally chart over on this side. So the number of people that like each one. Well, the first one that I got, people seem to like peanut butter. So I'm going to put a tally mark right there for peanut butter. Okay, let's look at the next one. That person liked chocolate chip. So I'm going to put a tally mark for chocolate chip. Next person is Oreos, and we'll just keep going through this. Uh-oh, another peanut butter. Another chocolate chip. Another peanut butter. Another peanut butter. Thin Mints. There's one for Thin Mints. Oh, there's another peanut butter. Remember, when we're doing a tally chart, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the 5th one, we do a little slash like this. All right, there's an oatmeal raisin. Next one is what? Chocolate chip. Uh-oh, another peanut butter. Another peanut butter. Here's a Thin Mint. Oatmeal raisin. Chocolate chip. So there's where we're at. Here's a way to tally them up. We can count these right here. So our tally chart helps us count different things. Now this tally chart doesn't have the slash, but we can still figure it out. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people who liked peanut butter, 3 people who liked chocolate chip, 2 people with oatmeal raisin, 1 for Oreos, and then we had 2 for Thin Mints. So this is the way that we tally up all of our information. Which one was most popular? You're right, it was peanut butter. Which one was the least popular? If you said Oreos, you're absolutely right. Which type of cookie did only 3 people like? If you said chocolate chip, you got it. Okay, let's keep going. So you're going to do some practice now. What I'd like you to do is make your own tally chart with your family or other students. You can ask them their favorite cookie, or you can come up with your own question for them. Either way, I think you'll do a great job. If you're not sure how to do any parts of this, go ahead and rewind the video and see if that can answer your question. I look forward to seeing what you do, and I'll see you in class tomorrow. Thanks.